Hello and welcome to day 15 of the 2019 live meditation experience. I want to say that I'm so excited to be here today, but that wouldn't be completely true because I really struggled to get online today. I literally just made my way from my bed where I was lying in the clothes that I slept in down to the floor to do this meditation with you. And that is the entirety of how I've moved today. I've been in bed reading and posting in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, which we are celebrating as I broadcast this live. I've been delving into his work and rereading his speeches and re-listening to his speeches and all of that. I try to be a part of the change every single day, but on days like this, I do like to set aside time to honor the heroes of the civil rights movement and to ask myself questions like, how can I do better? How can I do more? So in all of that and reading all of that and absorbing all of the information and absorbing some recent news, there's always new news about racial and social injustice to witness and to consume, in reading all of that and the arguments from both sides, I got a little bit heated. And make no mistake, I am a person who believes in peace and love. I am someone who meditates every single day, but I also run hot. I run super hot. And it doesn't take much to get me engaged in heated debates. It doesn't take much to get me up on my feet and activated and taking action. But today was rough. I was tired. I'm in my feelings and I'm a little pissed off. But like I said earlier in a Facebook post, it's days like this when I don't want to join my community, when I don't want to be in my practice, that I know I need it most. So here I am. Today's meditation is inspired by a mantra that I have been repeating for many years that is found in my book. My book here, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, which has 27 really good meditations for you inside and stories about my life and my becoming and my journey from someone who suffered greatly from anxiety and depression and poverty and a poverty mindset to where I am now. This mantra is, my purpose is to love and to be loved, to learn and to teach. And that is what I offer to you as our shared purpose. Our purpose, our passions, our meaning, our dharma, we talked about in yesterday's meditation, manifests in so many different ways. Someone might be a painter, another person might be a doctor, another person might be an energetic healer, or a meditation guide, or a teacher to children. Our purpose manifests in so many different ways, in infinite ways. But it starts with the reason why we're here. To love, to give love, to be loved, to receive love, to learn, to observe, to withhold judgment and really take in information, to process that with a God wisdom and with very, very careful and intentional consciousness, compassionate consciousness. And then to take what we've learned and what we've processed and go out and teach. So my purpose is to love, to be loved, to learn, and to teach. And that is what I'm doing here right now in this moment. That is my intention for the meditation today, to give you that feeling of worthiness, but also of duty, of sacred duty. So here we go. I want to invite you now to settle into your easier, comfortable seats. We start every meditation the same way. Settle into that seat, into that space of peace and calm. Step over the energetic threshold into this moment, into this space, this time that will hold you just for a little while to recenter you, to ready you for the next moment, the next task. Settle into your seat, sitting up nice and tall, becoming a clear and straight energetic channel. From the crown of your head all the way down to your seat, imagine that straight line. Allow your chest to be open, your shoulders to be broad. This is a pose of confidence and also vulnerability. Like, I am standing before you, universe, ready to hear and receive your wisdom. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees or your thighs, downturned to seal energy, upturned to receive it. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Keep them open and softly fixed upon an object or a point across the room or your screen. And bring your attention to your easy and effortless inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. So I'm going to reveal a truth of mine that won't surprise you. Every day, as someone who manages anxiety, but also feels a sacred duty to serve, I wake up with a certain level of tension in my body. Sometimes there's just a hint of a flutter in my heart. Sometimes it feels like my chest might explode. And I have to manage this every day. But I do so willingly because I am connected to my sacred purpose, to love and to be loved, to learn and to teach. And I wake up feeling this tension. But as a conscious person connected to her duty, I speak back to it. I affirm my gratitude. I say, thank you, thank you, thank you. I look for what's good. I name 3 things that I'm grateful for. Imagine those for yourself now. 3 things. 3 things. Easy, effortless, right there in front of your face. Right there within your grasp. What are you grateful for? And then I ask, how may I serve? I am ready and standing in my sacred duty, and I am excited to serve. So today I stayed in bed, but I knew that this was the rest I needed because I'm about to get up and connect with my community to perform my sacred duty. So I gave myself rest and then I got up. Please accept my offering of the knowing, of the belief that you are here with a purpose, on purpose, created with divine intelligence, with divine intention to love, to receive love, to learn with childlike curiosity and wonder and non-judgment and compassion and excitement, and to teach, because you are so wise and you have so much wisdom to share. You are here to teach, to lead, to raise your voice, to share what you know, to share what you've learned, to spread love through knowledge and truth. Bring your attention to your breath. Listen to the sound it makes. Notice the sensation of it entering and exiting your body. Allow it to affirm your aliveness, your being on purpose. Observe your breath as it is, a gift, life force, energy, belonging, intention. Inhale with me. Exhale big. Inhale. Exhale, affirm. Inhale. Exhale, believe. My purpose is to love and to be loved, to learn and to teach. My purpose is to love and to be loved, to learn and to teach. Affirm with your next inhale and exhale. Exhale, my purpose is to love and to be loved, to learn and to teach. Bringing your attention to your breath, your life force, the sensations in your body. Feel your fingers wiggle, your toes wiggle. Feel the blood moving through your limbs. Know that you are alive and here on purpose, for a purpose. With your next inhale and exhale, slowly point your gaze to the floor in front of you and flutter your eyes open. Inhale. Exhale. So most of you who are watching this video are not watching it live. But today is the Honorable, the Exalted Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s day here in America. It's a national holiday, one where we celebrate a great man who did much for the world and who continues to do much for the world. So I want you to take the spirit of him as someone who loved so much, loved so big, and was so loved by few in his time, but by many today, who came to this world and learned so much and used what he learned to go out and to teach. I want you to take all of that and allow that to inspire you in your own journey, because you are very wise and you have gifts to share, and the time is now. right now to do it. Not tomorrow. Doesn't take a lot of figuring it out. You know what's good. You know how you can help. You just have to do it and keep doing it. And I'll tell you, for very selfish reasons, I continue to show up because this practice, this leading, this teaching is so nourishing for me. It is my life force. It is the blood in my veins. And I just want you to have that gift, that feeling of purpose, because it feels so good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I affirm your purpose. I affirm your beauty. I affirm your wisdom. Because I love you. I love you. I love you. We're in our final week of meditations, folks. Keep joining me. Keep sharing the videos. Keep telling your friends about the group and the experience. I will see you soon in another meditation. And if you have registered for the experience, you should have gotten a gift in the mail yesterday, via email yesterday. Small gift. And I hope that you like it. And I hope that you'll share it, right? Like, who cares about the man? Share what I gave you. Love you.